In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Trello with Todoist so you can turn your Trello cards into actionable tasks in just a few clicks. If you use Trello for project management and Todoist for personal or team task tracking, connecting the two can seriously streamline your workflow and save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can set this up in just a few minutes. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more productivity and software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Boards page. From here, you'll see all the boards you currently have access to. Click on the specific board where you want to integrate Todoist. This is important because power-ups in Trello are enabled on a per-board basis, so you'll need to add the Todoist integration to each board where you want to use it. After opening your board, look to the top right area of the screen and click on Power-Ups. This is where Trello allows you to extend the functionality of your board with integrations and additional features. Once the Power-Ups panel opens, click on Add Power-Ups to explore the available integrations. Next, click on the search bar inside the Power-Ups directory and type in Todoist. As you type, you should see the Todoist Power-Up appear in the results. Click on Todoist to open its details page. Here, you'll see information about what the integration does and how it connects your Trello board with your Todoist account. Now click on the Add button to begin installing the Power-Up. Trello may ask you to confirm by clicking Add again to enable it for your board. Once you've done that, the Todoist Power-Up will be successfully added. You can then close the Power-Ups panel to return to your board. With the integration installed, you're ready to start sending Trello cards to Todoist. Click on any card that you would like to add to Todoist. When the card opens, look for the Power-Ups section within the card details. Under Power-Ups, you should now see an option that says Add to Todoist. Click on that option. At this point, Todoist will prompt you to log in if you're not already logged in. You'll also be asked to grant Trello permission to access your Todoist account. Review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection. This step is necessary so the two platforms can communicate securely. Once you've granted access, the Trello card will be added to your Todoist account as a task. You can open Todoist in a new tab or in your app to confirm. You should see the newly added task there. Go ahead and check it off to make sure everything is syncing properly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Todoist and learned how to send cards directly into your task manager. This setup is perfect for turning project ideas into trackable to-dos without manually copying and pasting information between platforms. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.